Guys, I just found the weirdest and the slowest aircraft ever possible. Yes, it goes 55 knots and super slow. Okay, we're going to Rockford. Uh, I won't tell you the name, but I'll say. And it's the mighty aircraft. Mighty aircraft. Go to random, and here it is. Paratrike. Yes, that's it. You might think this is the fastest aircraft, but it's not. Engine on, pushback. Look how slow it is. Okay, go 100% knots. Yeah, oh my. Okay, this place is kind of cool. Yeah, Look. Yes, let's look at the speed. 55 knots an hour. You can't even. Guys, you can't even land this plane. It's unlandable. Only the nose gear can land. Oh my, can we land the plane? Of course we can't. Is that a Coator? I'm doing 747. 747, yeah, I like this plane. But this plane is super slow. Yes, my plane is super slow. As it goes fast in the sky, oh, I go fast. But we're also super slow. Look how it's so slow. If you're interested in fly this plane, go to Rockford and go to random. Like what? Like what the fuck? Like what the fuck? Like what? That crusty ass. This is a crusty ass nigger. This is a crusty. This is a crusty. This is a crusty plane, guys. Guys, this is a crusty plane. Oh my! This is a so. Yeah. I'm not. Yeah. This is super slow. Only one propeller. Oh my! Can it go any faster? Oh my! Let's see if we can land this thing. Go. Very super slow. Let's see if we can taxi. We can taxi, please. Don't go with land speed. We can go stall at any time. Oh no! Oh, that's how we land. This is super slow, guys. Oh my! Oh, we can barely speed this thing. We can barely speed this thing, guys. Oh, but we can speed. Oh my! Can we ever talk about this plane, guys? Oh my! This is the most slowest aircraft in the game. Oh boy! Look at me! Look at this guy! Speedbird. Okay. One Joby. I'm gonna kidnap your ass. Good boy, I'm super slow. Yeah. Lol. La 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 la. Ah! Oh, we can barely land this thing, guys. Like what the fuck? This is the crustiest, but the slowest aircraft in the game. We made a huge. Shit. Oh what? Go. Anyways, thank you for so much watching this video. It means a lot to me. So bye bye, guys.